Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this phenomenal Mercedes-Benz E-Class E220d AMG line Coupe. Now this vehicle has currently done 48,901 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Iridium Silver, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now taking a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front, you do have your LED high performance headlights. These give you great visibility at night, lighting up the road extremely well. You have your diamond styled front grille there with the Mercedes badge in the centre. Here you have your 19-inch alloy wheels. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You also have rear privacy glass to give you nice privacy to the rear. It really gives the vehicle a nice sleek look as well. Now here at the rear, you do have two rear seats finished in leather. You do have ice fix points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You also have cup holders there in the centre. You also have rear air conditioning vents so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning as well. Now when you put the front seat back into position, it automatically glides into the original place. Now to the rear, you have your E220d 4MATIC badging, and opening up the boot, you simply push the Mercedes badge in. It opens up to reveal a very nice wide opening. It goes nice and deep into the vehicle as well. You can easily fit a set of golf clubs in there nicely. Now up top, you'll find a handle allowing you to close the tailgate very easily. With the AMG line, you have gorgeous sporty styling along with the alloy wheels as well. Does look extremely smart and sleek. Here inside you have your leather multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. You have nice digital display across the dashboard. You have your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Mercedes-Benz has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric seat adjustments. Makes it very easy to find the perfect driving position, and you also have your memory settings as well. You can set up to 3 different positions. Very handy if you have additional drivers of the vehicle. You can set up yours so it's always available to you at just the push of a button, so you can quickly get on the go if you've had someone else driving. You have heated seats with 3 different temperature options so you can keep nice and warm while on the go. You have your electric mirror adjustments here that include folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in, and it's very handy when parking, such as on narrow roads, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users. You can make adjustments very easily to the mirrors. You do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have your automatic gear selector here behind the steering wheel. You have some controls here on the steering wheel to control your very nice large digital instrument cluster. You can see things like your trip information here, and you can also access different menus as well, such as your navigation. You can select previous destinations you've been to quickly if you need to head somewhere you've already been. You can also access your audio. You can access your media input along with your Bluetooth telephone as well. You can also change the display with your progressive, classic or sport mode. You can change these depending on how you want to view the display. You can also see some vehicle assist features. And you also have some additional vehicle messages you can access, such as your engine oil level and your coolant as well. Now below these controls you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time and allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. With your cruise control you also have a speed limiter, so you can set a speed limit you don't want the vehicle to go over. It's very handy if you're conscious about speeding. You also have some controls here to make adjustments to your infotainment system. Instead of using the spinning dial and buttons in the center console, you can use this to quickly make adjustments or find different menus while you're on the go driving. You have your wiper stalk there along with your indicator, and you also have electric adjustment with the steering column, making it very easy to find the ideal positioning for the steering wheel. Now here in the center you have your infotainment screen. It's very nice and large. You can access all different menus. Here you have your spinning dial, in the center console, and you can also alternatively use a touchpad instead to control it. And with it you can access your radio. You do have DAB along with your FM as well. You also have tuning radio available to you as well. With your DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clear. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have USB along with SD card inputs, and you also have your Bluetooth as well. Of course, with your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls you may have. You can import your phone book into the vehicle, making it very easy to call whoever you need to. You have navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. With the large display, it's displayed nice and largely, making it very easy to follow, and you can clearly see where you are on the map and where you need to head. And now as well, you have your in-car office, which you can connect using Mercedes Me. You can configure this scanning the barcode. You also have some access here with your browser. You also have your Mercedes-Benz apps. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that brings your phone's interface into the vehicle and allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can also use compatible apps as well, such as music streaming services. You can access your vehicle settings here, where you can access your driver assist features. You have traffic sign recognition, which can recognise traffic signs and will alert you of this. You have your parking features here. You also have your active braking assist, which can detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You can set up early or late. You also have your attention assist, which can detect when you're starting to lose concentration and it encourages you to take a break while on the go. You also have your blind spot assist, which lights up indicators in the mirrors. This will tell you if there's anything in your blind spots, so you can be wary not to change lanes. There are heaps of other vehicle settings as well. You do have your ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. You can see it in the air vents and across the dashboard. You can change the colour to this. Adds a nice character to the vehicle. You can add your own personal touch as well. You can have multicolour effects, or alternatively you can set it to one solid colour. You can add your favourite colour. It really is a talking point of the vehicle. It looks incredible at night. And now as well, you have some system settings here. There is also access to your 360 camera. You also have front and rear parking sensors. This gives you added confidence when parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle completely. You can change the view of the camera as well. You also have your park assist, which you can access at just the push of a button here in the center console, which can help find parking spaces and park the vehicle for you. All you have to do is accelerate and change gear if it's necessary to. And now below here you do have your air conditioning controls. You do have dual zone climate control, allowing the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. Prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, allowing everyone in the vehicle to travel comfortably. As you can see, you do have a nice graphic display of where the direction of air is blowing to, and also the temperature. When it's blue it means it's cold, when it's white it's a neutral temperature, or red it's hot. You can see it shows where the air is blowing to. It's a very straightforward system to use, with each button clearly labelled, making it very easy to make adjustments to. It gives you a nice overview of what your climate control is doing for the vehicle. You've got some nice storage here with an NFC pad where you can wireless charge. As long as your device is compatible, you can put it in there to charge it. You have your controls here as well. You have your different driving modes with your dynamic selects. You have Comfort, Eco, Sport, and there's also Sport Plus as well. You also have your individual, where you can set up your own preferences to this, so the vehicle will drive how you want it to, giving you your own preferences. You can adapt it very easily. You can adapt these drive with the options for Sport Plus, Sport, Comforts and Eco. You can change the steering as well to Comfort or Sport. It's very straightforward to use. It changes how the vehicle performs and handles. Thanks for watching this video on the Mercedes-Benz E-Class E220d AMG line coupe. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.